Unniyappam. 1 cup of rice. 2 cardamom. Half cup of melted jaggery. Pour it. 2 bananas. Slice it. Add the bananas. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Blend it. Keep it aside and rest for 5 hours. In medium flame, take the unniyappam pan and add oil for deep frying. Add the batter. Fry till golden brown. Flip them. Unniyappam is ready to serve. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Please follow me on my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook accounts. Thank you.